Kubikwa ukuthi lamaloli abanjwe ngesikhathi amaphoyisa ecashe emgwaqeni omncane abashayeli abajwayele ukuchezukela kuwo uma bebalekela bomthetho.
Majority of the trucks that are using this road, which is a back route, are driven by foreign immigrants. And then by then they couldn't ascertain whether they are illegal or legal in the country. And then when they found these two trucks, they found that in these two trucks, there are about 9 people inside one of the trucks, and in the other one there were 8 people inside the truck, so which was very abnormal.
Umshayeli oyedwa uzama ukubaleka ngesikhathi eboshwa amaphoyisa.
The driver that has been arrested was trying to run away from the police, and luckily our police were very agile. They managed to stop him, and you've seen what happened.
Iminyango kahulumeni owezasekhaya, owezezisebenzi kanye nowokuthutha isebenza ngokubambisana uqinisekisa ukuthi lo mkhankaso uyaphumelela.
It is also a reminder of the work that we still need to do and public education, because some of the human trafficking taking place here is people who are just not knowing where they are going, and that in itself is a risk, and for the state, particularly for children. And then lastly is the fact, from a road safety point of view, you see the compromises that are being placed on the system, wherein people are using vehicles that are not for the purposes of transportation.
Uma sekulandwele yonke imigomo efanele, laba baboshiwe bazobuyiselwa ezweni labo.